Machinist cutting speeds. Lathe feed rate conversions, they meet your needs. Lathe groove cut off, rough pass cut time. Lathe spindle speed, it's also prime. Taper programming, Acme threads, all the threads you need for your head. Bspp and profile to NPT and STI, it's all for you. It's all for you. Tap, drill, thread, data, over wire info. Thread milling, lathe threads, let's go! Tapping speeds, UNC, UNEF, UNF, all for me. UNJ, UNM, UNS threads, UN threads, adapted feeds for your beds. Cusp height or mill, effective diameter, no feed rate conversion, it's no amateur. Material remove rate, horsepower, radial chip fitting, cuts by the hour. No cutting speed, slitting saw, no spindle speed, you're in awe. Endmill runout sensor drill dimensions, drilling calculators for charts and sessions. Gun drill arc calculator, bolt pattern calculators, nothing greater. Machinist quiz, CNC brute keyway, custom macro variables all day. Gauge block stack G codes, GENT, geometric modes. Height over ball for countersink sign, hardness conversions, no jinx. Material properties search encodes to settings, SFM data just for you. Socket head cap, screw dimensions, surface finish, calculators, no tensions. Thermal expansion, tool wear info, triangle solver, true precision, let's go! Unit converter, material weight, scientific calculator is so great. Grind and equivalent, diameter grinding, grit size conversion, not a limiter. Plunge grind calculation, grind RPM, cylindricity error, all for them. Grind wheel speed, grind workpiece speed, surface grind calculations, it's what you need. Virtual machining assistant, special UNEF for size is so consistent. Countersink, take a bar measurement too. That's the CNC Machinist calculator ultra for you. UNJ, UNM, UNS threads, UN threads, adaptive feeds for your beds. Cusp height or mill, effective diameter, no feed rate conversion, it's no amateur. Material remove rate, horsepower, radial chip fitting, cuts by the hour. No cutting speed, slitting saw, no spindle speed, you're an